Oh, so creamy. That was an 11-hour flight and I barely got any sleep. So I think the plan right now is just to find a transit hotel, which is inside the terminal, and sleep. Korea truly is a dangerous place because I haven't even left the airport yet. I'm just here for a layover and already started shopping. So I got a pair of Gentle Monsters. Let me show you what I got. So this is the pair that I got. It's a completely different style than the one that I already have, which is what I told myself when I was debating whether I should purchase it or not. I have arrived in Singapore. I feel like I've been traveling for the past like 48 hours or something. I'm so exhausted. Now I am waiting for an Uber to pick me up and going straight to the hotel and hopefully get some sleep. It's day 1 in Singapore. We have reunited with everyone. So Jessica just got here this morning. It's pretty hot and humid, but honestly not that bad. Going to get kaya toast first for breakfast. Kaya and butter taste really good together.
This is black coffee.
There's so much random drawing. I love the buildings here. They're all painted. Wait, this is kind of cute. Do we get some durian? Wait, am I the only one who likes durian here?
I want to try, like legit durian.
So this is our amazing hotel room. We have an actual slide.
Are you okay?
No, that was me too. That was me too. Jessica, you should adjust because you stopped coming to it. What the hell?
Bags by your side, more space to ride.
Do the bag down bending.
Wow.
On your feet for those in need. Wait till you see. Yeah, wait till you see stand up Stacy.
We have made it to Clark Quay. It's starting to get really hot. Umbrellas out. Put a bib on. Ooh, wait, this looks good.
Yeah, it's good.
Wait, oh my gosh, feels good.
It's my favorite movement.
Finally, I got a piece. Giant mess. What's our crab then? We ate it.
It's gone. It's gone.
Rate the crowd out of 10?
Million. Infinite. Like brown. I love the one.
Wait, the texture is a little
It's a little
weird.
different.
Yeah, it's not the same.
It's more
Liquidy?
watery.
I want the signature. Say that again?
Clothes are big. No, I'm not buying any clothes. On
Everyone heard that?
Yes, you
It's
did.
recorded.
How much are you spending today?
It's good. But you might think it's not sweet enough.
Oh, it's okay.
It's very coconutty. It's good. It's like a coconut shake. It's what we ordered. We all went back to the hotel and changed. So we're going to Sentosa now and we're going to be doing some physical activity. Feels like ski lift. We're all gonna do the same blue lane or whatever, blue route. And Ashley went to, no, Ashley's the only one who went to blue. We all
That went the right direction. It's like what I want to say.
I think I could have made it, but I was like, majority wins.
yeah. And I just followed Jessica the whole way. It was easier than I expected.
I agree.
It's way easier than Mario Kart and driving. that's me. Wow. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Yeah. She looks so cool.
Casual day.
At the beach.
We're at the beach.
Poor Jessica.
Did you zoom in on that?
Bro, why is it? It's like that big already. What the fuck?
no.
She suctioned it, so it looks sort of popped out.
Yeah. We're at Food Republic at Sentosa. It's like a huge food court. So we're gonna see if there's anything we want to eat here. So maybe we'll eat here instead of going back. It's the dinner spread. We got Hainan chicken rice, curry, and noodles. That looks so good. Spicy?
Oh no,
It is spicy though.
It's really spicy.
Hainan chicken rice. The chicken's good. Protein. Destroyed. Okay, we're back to Chinatown, our home, and we're getting
Back to our real home.
3,300. Apparently, it's way cheaper here, and no line.
It's like $4.
No Cupertino
USD
lines.
instead of $10. Kind of a miracle.
I got the green tea, mountain green tea. Can I try your peach? Let me try mine. Thank you. So sweet.
I was like, damn, yours has no sugar.
And cream puff.
A new world odor.
Oh my god. The dessert spread. What's the green? Wow, it's really light. You can barely taste the durian.
Okay.
It's good.
we're gonna try the durian now.
Oh, it smells good.
Okay. Cheers. Yeah, what I remembered.
That's not sweet.
Take a look at Jessica's face now.
You don't like it?
You don't like durian? You never had durian. You never had it? I think if you haven't had it, you can't like it. It's kind of like you have to grow up eating it. Because
Durian cream puff.
the pastry has like pastry flavor. It's covering the durian. Good.
It was good, yeah.
It tastes like gasoline to me.
What are you talking about?
Gasoline does not taste like this.
Yeah.
Everything looks so good here. I just want to get everything. It's because I sugar mommy. Because she's the only one with cash. No one else
Physical
has cash. I'm most excited for the Hainan chicken rice. It's good. I don't like the sauce very much. It's not the sauce I'm used to. No.
I just didn't know what to expect, you know?
It might have gum in it.
It's good. It's like unique.
This is ba long long with plum juice.
It's like vegetables. Like how the grocery store smells.
That's how
It's healthy.
Yeah.
It's sour. Jessica said I have to get the fat mama.
We have this in America. This is in front of my house. Yes.
I had a t-shirt.
These are so pretty. These are apparently all plants, but they look like little stones. They're so cute. We are now done with the flower dome and the cloud forest. I think we're a little pooped. So we're gonna go to the mall and gamble. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna find a place to sit down.
Oh, they give you 10.
be
They
playing
give you
at,
guys.
which is-
If you guys sign up, they give you $10 for free.
Yeah, just play $10.
And you play $10 in slots.
Okay.
I'll drop off. Well, there were a lot of nuts. I see literally nuts. I feel like I could. Oh, mine's probably the thickest.
It's good too. I like strawberry.
It's like yeah, just minimize risk.
Jessica, what did you just do?
I had the fast cheesecake.
She was like, you guys ready? You guys ready? And she called a waiter over and she's like,
She said, "Are you guys
No, the
ready?" In
waiter
front
was
of the
already
waiter.
here.
Yeah, the waiter was.
Thank you.
The waiter was here, and then she asked us if we're ready, and we nodded, and then she said, "Can I get extra tea?"
we're all dressed up for the club.
You never had this before?
Cats.
Durian.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Cheers.
It's like more what I'm used to. It's much more creamy.
This is better.
Yeah.
It's better.
Probably the type you guys had then.
Uh-uh.
No.
Even just the type, that one was just like, I don't know, it just was not very creamy. It still has that like bitterness, but it's just the creaminess is like what's good.
No. It's better. It's better.
Just try like a tiny piece, you know? I mean, like it's a short threshold here. I can't tell the difference.
Really? We're now going to the Sky Park. We got free tickets thanks to Ashley and Christine because I think they signed up for the casino membership. I don't really know what it is, but it seems cool. Well, for dinner we're trying to eat at this Asian fusion place called Gypsy One, but we don't have a reservation, so we'll see. It's super cute here. And it's right by the river. They say it's a 1 hour wait, but we checked the wait list and there's only 3 people on it. So we don't think it'll actually take that long.
You can scan the QR code as well if you like to see the pictures.
Can I eat this one? Big fan of whatever this is. I like this
That's
sauce.
a huge mushroom. Oh my god. What sauce is that?
White truffle. White truffle mayo.
Oh, hot. I like this. I'm a big fan of mushrooms. Wagyu pizza.
Burning my head.
I can't remember the last time I went clubbing.
It's been a hot minute.
It's been a while. I feel like the last one I remember is Wildcat. Oh my god. Yay, we're the first one of the day. Oh my god. We're currently at the Maxwell Center for lunch. It's kind of similar to the Hawker Center, just a huge food court with a lot of different stuff. I'm not really sure what I want because I feel like we tried a bunch of stuff already, but I really want to try the Tian Tian Hainan chicken rice, which is supposed to be like on the Michelin guide. I can smell the Hainanese chicken. It smells so good. Back up the line.
It's okay, actually. Well, it's like we've been through worse.
Is it better than the other ones you had?
I think Hainanese chicken usually tastes about the same to me, but the rice is really good and I like it. This looks like it has a lot of vegetables I don't like.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, there's a very strong taste of celery. We got douhua for dessert. I used to really like this as a kid.
Do you usually get it in soup? Because like at Me Fresh we sell it in soup.
No, we usually eat it with
Usually just
some kind of
eat it with like
sugar.
ginger brown sugar.
Yeah, ginger brown sugar.
Yeah, we used to sell it like in a soup of that basically, and we have like pieces of tofu pudding in it.
But sugar though.
Yeah, it's different from what I'm used to for sure, but
I like it how it tastes good.
it's like pudding. Tofu pudding basically. It's good. And now we're on the hunt for 肉骨汤. There was one at the food court, but it was closed. And I think we really want to try it because it's like a specialty here. Also started raining. It's not raining too bad, but we're supposed to be going to the bird paradise and night safari today. So it's like all outdoor stuff.
Oh, they're probably selling at a premium.
These prices are crazy.
But I think. But I can't.
I got vegetables because we haven't been eating any vegetables.
Cheers.
Tastes like tom yum. Ah, yes. Jessica knows the technique.
As my skin.
They gave us so many actually.
Slay. What's up?
Oh, it's like
It does have like,
spicy.
spices.
It's not spicy.
It's good. I really like this.
It's so tender. Wait, I really like the spiciness. I think it's white pepper. They added a lot of white pepper. Very good. I like this.
Michelin star from me too.
Yep. I give them 2 stars.
It's really good. Really soft. The skin is really crispy too.
It's really good. I like that it's warm.
Yeah.
We have arrived at Bird Paradise. This is one of Singapore's largest zoos. That's a huge pigeon. Hello.
Does not look like a pigeon at all.
He looks. He's kind of scary to me.
Doesn't look like the picture.
His face is so blue. I don't know if I like that. I'm trying to capture the sound. They're so loud. Oh, good morning. Oh, so cute. So cute. Hello.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
I want to give you your space.
It's a crazy pigeon.
We go with the lychee and the
Cheers.
It does taste like
The lychee is good.
strawberry with a hint of
Basil?
grass. Like,
That's a basil. Oh, it's very basil.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
I don't know if I like that.
We're getting in line for the tram for the night safari.
It's the line. Feels like Universal or Disney. Yeah. It says 20 minutes. Yeah. Fingers crossed. It does not look 20 minutes, but we have a show at 9:30, so we have to be back by then. Right now it's 8 o'clock. There's a lion there. Oh my goodness.
Admission ticket goes towards the
I was kind of scared. I feel like I couldn't see a fence.
Yeah, no.
So are they really fenced up? If
Definitely fenced.
We're now on the trail. It's super dark, so you can't see us. Last day, checking out. We're going back to Champion Boulevard for breakfast because we liked it so much yesterday. I think we should get the curry one today. Yeah. It's actually like the softest boulevard I've ever had. And they come out warm and super buttery. The butter is all melted. It's so good. A change of plan. They don't have the curry bun until 12. So I think we're gonna get lunch first and then come back here to get dessert. We're going to this brunch place called Bearded Bella. I saw that it's top 50 cafe in Asia, and I really want to try it. And it's more like Western style. Starting with the pasta. Oh, I can smell the truffle. It smells so good. Scallop. Chia seed pudding with yogurt and fruits. I like this. We're done with lunch. I'm so full. But we're gonna get dessert. Back to Champion Bolo Bao. Can we get one classic with butter?
One classic with butter.
And one curry potato? Cheers! Yeah. So good. Pretty good. It's like good for how cheap it is. We've been eating the whole day today. Today's just like a
As we should.
foodie day.
Like a nice change from boba.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
It's actually really good.
This is $3.50 drink. Especially for like a free.
Woohoo! Mangosteen.
Oh, it's sunny.
Does this taste like lychee?
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's what I remember.
There's like a seed inside each one.
Ashley moment.
Yeah, I found my umbrella at the Crocs store. Back to the Crocs store.
Yay! We found it! Just a small L, not a big L. We're at the airport now. It's only 4 p.m. Our flight is at 2 a.m. So we're gonna be spending a lot of time here. This is an airport mall. I know. This is better than Valley Fair.
Yeah, it's so nice. The hell?
Wait. Why is there a random otter store? Oh wait, they're so cute.
Oh my god.
Ah.
Wait, it has a really smooth handle.
I want it. But I don't need any more cups.
It's only $12.90.
Stop.
Getting a magnet. Gonna put it on my fridge. I've decided I'm gonna start collecting fridge magnets every time I travel. Trying to figure out what to eat, but there are so many options here, and everything looks so good.
Every single type of food here.
Here we're getting our money's worth.
They gave us so much.
Yeah.
Not bad. But the skin is not crispy.
I feel like it's a different style.
This is Cantonese. Okay, this is what we got for dessert. Got 奈雪的茶, and this is recommended by Eleanor. Bangawan Solo or Bangawan Solo. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. This is pandan chiffon cake, and this is not sure what it is. Yeah.
Bro, can we share this piece? It's really bouncy. It's super soft.
Oh.
Cheers.
Yeah, it's super soft. I like the pandan. The pandan, you can taste the pandan.
Yeah.
Oh, we got another dessert that Ashley can't eat. This
It's
is,
a peanut